Aim for a bead size that seals fully, without excess material or mess. For bathtub and shower caulking, aim for a bead between 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch for most joints, as this balances sealing performance and ease of tooling. Measure the joint gap first with a ruler, and if the gap is wider than 1/4 inch, switch to backing rod and a wider bead to ensure proper joint geometry. Cut the caulk tube nozzle at an angle to produce the exact bead width you need, and test on scrap tile or paper to confirm flow before applying to the joint. Maintain a steady feed rate and move the gun at a consistent speed so the bead lays down evenly, and avoid stopping and restarting mid-run, which creates blobs. After laying the bead, wait a few minutes for the surface tack to form, then tool with a wet finger or a soft caulking tool holding a 90-degree angle for smooth concave finish that sheds water. For silicone-based caulks, use a mild solvent or isopropyl alcohol for cleanup within the working time, and for water-based products, use a damp cloth. Common mistakes are cutting the nozzle too small, which causes thin beads that gap and fail, using too large a cut that leaves excessive material and poor adhesion, and not addressing deep or wide gaps before caulking, which causes premature failure. If the nozzle is too small, recut it larger and redo the run, keeping a consistent bead width to fully fill the joint. If the bead is too large, trim and tool carefully, then remove excess with a plastic scraper and redo the section if adhesion is compromised. For deep or wide joints, insert a foam backer rod size to compress slightly, then lay the proper bead on top to achieve the correct joint profile and reduce caulk consumption. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare job types and timelines to match their project needs. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and tradespeople share tips and project experiences.